This listing is proudly presented by Jacqui Cowles. Exceptional lakefront residence with breathtaking views from virtually every room, featuring expansive porches, a pool, and an elevator. Crafted by DREAMBUILT in 2018, no expense was spared in creating this unique masterpiece. The open floor plan boasts custom-built cabinets and a fireplace in the spacious great room, seamlessly connecting to the dining area and kitchen. The main level hosts a master suite with stunning views, a lavish bathroom, a separate sitting area, and a porch.this 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom property is adorned with luxurious features, including a lap pool, a maximum dock, and expansive porches on both upper and lower levels, complemented by a screen porch on the main level. The kitchen offers beautiful lake views, state-of-the-art appliances, and a spacious walk-in pantry. With laundry rooms on all 3 levels, a 3-car garage, and ADA accommodating features, this home is designed for convenience and luxury. Future homeowners will relish in the amenities of